Welcome back to Yickney. Today, I will be diving into the fascinating world of Affenpinschers, those captivating little companions with faces that could make anyone smile. If you're seeking a breed that combines intelligence, playfulness, and a touch of mischief, you're in for a treat. So, let's embark on this journey to uncover the top 15 delightful things about Affenpinschers. Affenpinschers have a rich history that dates back to 17th century Germany. Originally bred as ratters to control rodents in kitchens, stables, and shops, these little terriers were valued for their tenacity and small size. The name Affenpinscher was given due to their facial resemblance to monkeys and their small size, which allowed them to dart around like agile primates. Over time, they transitioned from working dogs to beloved companions. Now, take a look at their unique appearance. Affenpinschers boast a distinctive appearance that makes them stand out among other breeds. Their wiry coat, characterized by harsh hair that stands off the body, comes in various colors, offering a spectrum of choices. The bushy eyebrows and beard add to their unique appearance, enhancing their already expressive faces. Despite their small size, their compact and sturdy build reflects their terrier heritage. Speaking of faces, the Affenpinschers' facial features are arguably their most recognizable aspect. Their short muzzle and prominent brow ridges contribute to a cute and almost human-like expression that has earned them the nickname monkey dogs. These features are not only endearing but also serve to protect their eyes and face from potential hazards when they're exploring. Despite their small stature, Affenpinschers possess a big personality. Weighing between 6 and 13 pounds and standing around 9 to 11.5 inches tall at the shoulder, they are pint-sized dynamos of energy and enthusiasm. Affenpinschers have personalities that belie their small size. Feisty and fearless, they often approach life with a sense of adventure. Their confidence can sometimes border on stubbornness, but this determination adds to their charm. They are curious and energetic, always ready to explore their surroundings and interact with their human companions. Don't let their size fool you. Affenpinschers are quite intelligent. It's easy to be charmed by the adorable appearance of Affenpinschers, but their intelligence is an aspect that often takes their owners by surprise. Despite their small stature, these little dogs possess sharp minds that quickly earn them the title of quick learners. When it comes to mastering new tricks and commands, Affenpinschers showcase their cognitive abilities with enthusiasm. Their intelligence is not only a testament to their breed's history as skilled rat catchers, but it also makes them engaging companions for those who value mental challenges. Affenpinschers thrive on mental stimulation, and this is where their intelligence truly shines. Beyond the basic commands, these dogs revel in activities that engage their minds. Puzzle toys become a source of excitement as they work to unlock hidden treats or solve intricate mechanisms. Interactive games like hide and seek tap into their natural curiosity, providing an outlet for their sharp problem-solving skills. Training sessions are not only an opportunity for them to showcase their learned behaviors, but also a chance for owners to tap into their intellect and creativity. Whether it's a game of fetch that requires strategic planning or a training session that tests their memory, Affenpinschers eagerly embrace these mental challenges with boundless energy. Incorporating mental stimulation into an Affenpinscher's routine is essential for their overall well-being. It not only keeps them mentally sharp and engaged, but also prevents boredom and potential behavioral issues that might arise from a lack of mental activity. Whether it's providing puzzle toys, engaging in training sessions, or enjoying interactive games, catering to their love for mental challenges is a rewarding way to foster a strong bond with these intelligent companions. So, while their size might deceive, the intelligence of Affenpinschers is a delightful trait that continues to captivate owners and demonstrate the depth of their abilities. Their playful nature is a hallmark of the breed. Affenpinschers have a knack for turning ordinary activities into delightful games, whether it's chasing after a ball, engaging in a tug-of-war session, or simply frolicking around the house. This exuberance for play often endears them to their families, as they add an element of joy to daily life. Maintaining an Affenpinscher's coat requires regular grooming. The wiry texture of their fur can become prone to tangling and matting if not properly cared for. Brushing and combing their coat a few times a week is essential to prevent knots from forming. In addition to coat care, regular trimming of the fur around their eyes and mouth helps keep their vision clear and maintain their distinctive facial appearance. While not excessively demanding, Affenpinschers do require regular exercise to keep them happy and healthy. Daily walks, interactive play sessions, and opportunities to explore the outdoors contribute to their mental and physical well-being. Despite their small size, they have a fair amount of energy to burn. Affenpinschers might be small, but they excel as watchdogs due to their alert and vigilant nature. Size isn't always indicative of a dog's capabilities, and the Affenpinscher is a perfect example of this truth. Despite their petite stature, these little dynamos have an innate talent for excelling as watchdogs. With a vigilant and alert nature, they are natural protectors who take their roles seriously. Affenpinschers possess an uncanny ability to sense and respond to potential threats, making them a valuable addition to any home seeking an extra layer of security. Affenpinschers' watchdog prowess stems from their watchful disposition. Their sharp senses, especially their acute hearing, allow them to pick up on the slightest changes in their environment. Whether it's an unfamiliar noise, a new person, or even a subtle shift in the atmosphere, Affenpinschers are quick to notice and respond. Their natural tendency to be wary of the unfamiliar contributes to their prowess as vigilant guardians. This watchful nature not only makes them excellent at alerting their owners to potential intruders or disturbances, but also creates a sense of reassurance for the household. In a world where peace of mind is invaluable, having an Affenpinscher around can truly make a difference. Their small size might deceive, but their innate watchdog instincts unveil a powerful and protective side that leaves a lasting impact on their family's safety and well-being. The Affenpinscher's adaptability is a notable quality. While they thrive in various living environments, including apartments, they do require attention to their exercise needs. They can adapt to city living as well as a suburban home, as long as their energy is channeled appropriately. Early socialization is crucial for Affenpinschers. Properly introducing them to various people, animals, and environments during their formative months helps ensure they develop into well-mannered and confident adults. Without adequate socialization, they might exhibit shyness or suspicion toward new situations or individuals. Like all breeds, Affenpinschers are prone to certain health conditions. Their short muzzle can contribute to respiratory issues, and they might be susceptible to dental problems due to their small mouths. Regular veterinary checkups and a healthy dental care routine are important to maintain their overall health. Affenpinschers have a relatively long lifespan compared to some other small breeds. With proper care, attention to their health, and a balanced diet, they can live around 12 to 15 years, allowing for many years of companionship and joy. Above all, Affenpinschers thrive on companionship. In the world of canine companions, few breeds rival the Affenpinscher when it comes to forming deep, lasting bonds. These delightful dogs have an uncanny ability to weave themselves into the fabric of their families' lives, becoming cherished members in no time. Above all else, Affenpinschers thrive on companionship and flourish in the presence of their loved ones. Their loyalty and unwavering affection create a unique brand of companionship that brings immeasurable joy to individuals, couples, and families alike. Whether it's a quiet evening on the couch or an energetic outing to the park, Affenpinschers are always eager to be part of family activities. Their presence is a constant reminder of the joys of shared moments. Affenpinschers' endearing habit of engaging in everyday activities with their human companions contributes to the strong bonds they form. Their loyalty knows no bounds, and their affectionate nature warms the hearts of all who are fortunate enough to share their lives with these furry friends. The companionship of an Affenpinscher is a precious gift, providing a unique blend of humor, boundless energy, and unwavering love that enriches the human-canine relationship in ways words can barely capture. Whether you're seeking a playful partner, a loyal confidant, or a heartwarming family member, an Affenpinscher is sure to exceed your expectations and fill your life with unforgettable moments of connection and joy. And there you have it, fellow dog enthusiasts. Affenpinschers are more than just cute faces. They're bundles of personality and love. Whether you're looking for a playful sidekick or a vigilant watchdog, they've got it all. Thanks for joining me on this journey to uncover the wonders of Affenpinschers. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more delightful dog content. Until next time, keep wagging those tails and spreading the puppy love.